tight. Meanwhile, me love my life, not the fame might. Where me come from, damn in the shame might. The one room, me goes as daylight.
Viewers and subscribers, our Topic Entertainment there with a brand new review. So people, Intense react to the rumor where a circulate around Intense in the media. So people, we not all here say, yo, Intense there and brother party, I go and well a vibe, and then Intense now play no much a Vybz Kartel song. That are the rumor where a circulate, and some man pull up at the party and bust some shot and them thing. There are whole heap of thing we hear in the media around Intense name. So Intense make a post on him Instagram and clear up everything. We are hear this and we are hear that. Say yo, I never that go on and them thing there. I never that make it shot them fire. A whole heap of things we are here in the media. So we see Intense make a post on him Instagram story, and people, that is a response to the rumor where I circulate around Intense name. So people, before me gonna see the post or Intense post on him Instagram, I react to everything what take place. People, just leave a like on this video, see that I subscribe to this channel, turn on a post notification, so whenever I upload a new content, you are the first one to get notified. So people, like up the video so other people can get to see this review, and people remember to share the video always. Yeah, so what I say. So people, so we see Intense make a post on him Instagram, and Intense a clear up everything right now. So we are gonna jump to the post where Intense make. So people, these are the posts that Intense make. So Intense a say, now follow everything we wanna see in the media. So people, what me I get from that post, so we see Intense make right there. So people, Intense, I say yo, you see what them a bring in the media about shot fire and we have to jump in a car and them thing there. Nothing like that no go. So our people, it can go the other way. Either the people are run with the information the wrong way. So Intense I say yo, now follow everything what you see in the media. So Intense I make film fans them know say yo, nothing like that no go. So people, but when me I see writer so now Intense I say yo, not like that no go. So no shot no fire and them thing that are even if Intense is there and one party, cause you don't know how people stay already. When people attack things, them talk a bag of things, and now we don't know how factual this, because we don't get a location where the party keep on. Only thing we are here is an unknown location. So when I get from that now, people, Intense I make you know say yo, no party no keep and them thing they not like that no go. So when I get them information they from, so Intense I make the young fans them know say yo, you fi follow everything we wanna see in the media and run with everything we wanna see in the media. And people, Intense always this up the people who try to tarnish him name. So we see Intense make a respond and make film supporters them know, film loyal fan base know say yo, nothing like that no go. So when you don't follow what you see in the media about Intense, cause nothing like that where them spread by Intense name no go. So people like that how me I get from the post. But people, more you type a comment in the comment section, tell me what you I get from this post where we see Intense post on him Instagram right now. So Intense I react to everything. So Intense I make you know say yo, nothing like that no go. So them a spread look a rumor upon we no believe when you see in the media about Intense and them things there. Cause people, when me hear the story, you don't know me not go run with the story, cause me not get no factual news about it. That's what I say. I not want to bring nothing fake on the channel. Make my viewers and my subscribers them job my thing. That's what I say, cause you don't know we have to run with the factual news and them thing there. We not bring nothing fake on the channel. So that's why you see me do a review about that. So Intense I say yo, nothing like that no go. So young fans them, no follower in the media. So Intense basically I make you know say yo, that is a lie. That what me I get from the post. I will see Intense post on him Instagram. Intense I say yo brother, not like that no go so when I spread by my name and them thing there. So Intense I say yo no follow when I see in the media about Intense nearly get shut up on them thing there. A whole heap of things you see in the media about Intense and the same look situation there at the dance. We are hear a bag of story, so we not know whose story to believe. So Intense give it a better clue of what take place. So Intense make you know say yo, not like that no go. So that when me I get now people come like no party no keep and them thing there. Cause me did I say yo, the people them not get the thing, the story right and them thing there. So Intense I say yo no follow on I see in the media and them thing the people. So not like that no go so or in nearly go so. So you can't pre the thing one way. You can pre the thing and I say yo either the story bring out wrong and them thing they are no party no keep cause we no hear the location and where the party keep and them thing the people just have speculate which part the party keep and a bag of things. I don't know, we not go bust the brain, we have to get with full information them and make my liar supporters them know what take place. So people tell me you think about the Instagram post I we see Intense make. People big up on yourself, see them we are out.